last night you said to me you are prostitute star.
Yes, I am. Yes, I said to you, and you are.
I like that.
Yes. And I see that's a reality that I saw from my eyes.
Please, don't be rude to me. Also, don't get smart with me. I know what you are.
I am not that smart with you. I am what I am. Everybody is know what I am.
I know that. Got the correct there. Also, last night you said to me, when I will abuse you, the other students all is laughing.
Yes.
Especially my best friend.
Yes.
I know your best friend.
Who's that?
I didn't use.
If you didn't tell me, why do you ask me that question? Don't ask me such stupid question.
Please give me my time. Listen to me carefully.
Okay, take your chance, but speak confidently.
And don't show you.
Please take your chance.
Really, that boy is not your best friend.
That's my best friend. Don't lie, my friend.
Okay, yeah, that boy, your best friend. That boy is a friendly boy.
I know. I am what he is. My friend, if he is a vigilante, I am vigilante.
Okay, that boy is an ugly boy.
I don't abuse my friend.
Yes, I will abuse. Please, give me my chance.
Please, first give me my chance. When you talk, give me my chance. Don't abuse my friend. Otherwise, I will abuse you. I will abuse you like tonight, like last night.
Like last night.
Yes.
That's your business, but that's not my business.
That's your business because I want to abuse with you. If you abuse my friend, I will abuse you.
Please don't. I'm not abused with you because you are my brother. Also, that boy is he's my brother.
Okay, if he is your brother, why do you abuse me?
Yes, I abuse you.
I am angry that situation because you abuse my friend. So that don't abuse my friend. Otherwise, I will abuse you up and down.
If you abuse you abuse last night.
If I abuse you, but don't abuse my friend.
Am I abused?
Please listen to me carefully and try to understand me. Abuse with me. If I abuse with you, abuse with me, but don't abuse my friend.
Am I abused?
Otherwise, you will hurt or burn your friend.
Am I abused?
Yes, you are abused, my friend. But you didn't abuse. You can't abuse me, but you can abuse my friend.
Please.
And I'm angry with that problem.
My brother, I'm remembering something. When we are talking gentle girl like me, you must have tolerance and empathy, and don't raise your speaking. Otherwise, you will.
Please listen to me. You are not gentle girl, and I have tolerance. Who is enough with me? But I am angry. I am angry with you because you are abuse my friend. Abuse with me. Please listen to me carefully. If you abuse with me, you are that, and I don't angry with you. But if you abuse my friend, I will angry with you, and I will abuse you up and down.
Yes, I abuse your friend because your friend.
What cause is that?
I didn't tell you what cause is that because that's not your business.
That's my business. Because you abuse my friend.
Please give me my chance. What's
Tell
wrong?
me, guys.
I abuse that boy because that boy is currently boy. Also, it's that boy.
Please don't brace yours. I know.
Also, you are a clever student.
I am a clever student. Please don't abuse me. If you are another guy, you are well fed, and you too, you are a clever student, and my friend is a dad, and I am a dad. So take all of the cleverness.
I didn't tell.
Hey, okay, stop.